Florence Falls, and there's about 135 steps down, and you can, if you want, you can walk up to Bluey Rock Hole, which isn't too far as well. Here's the start of our 135 odd steps. They don't look too bad, and I'm sure we'll need them to warm up on the way back.
So here we are at Litchfield National Park at Florence Falls, and we're going to go down to the bottom and go for a swim. Hopefully it's not too cold. So here we are at the bottom of the staircase at Florence Falls.
That was Florence Falls. How cool was that? It was cool, but
Wasn't that bad?
Not as cool as I was expecting it. We really enjoyed that. It was nice. Lovely deep water, and man, it was hard work sort of swimming up close to the waterfall there. It was pushing around all over the place. And the fish?
Oh, the fish were awesome. Swimming around you.
All right, so which way are we going to go back?
Up the staircase.
Oh yeah.
135 stairs.
Gonna warm up.
Yep.
Beach to the top.